Google has released over 30 AI tools in the last 2 years. Most people are using one, maybe two. The rest, completely unknown, completely free. And honestly, some of them will change how you work forever. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to walk you through every major Google AI product, what it actually does, who it's for, and which ones you should start using today. Here's the real problem. Every few months, Google announces a new AI tool: Gemini, NotebookLM, AI Studio, Veo, Flow, Project Astra. The list never stops growing. And if you're like most people, you feel one of two things. Either you're overwhelmed trying to keep up, or you're quietly ignoring most of it because you have no idea what half of these things even are. Either way, you're leaving real value on the table. Because several of these tools are genuinely useful, completely free, and most people have no idea they exist. So here's what we're doing: one tool at a time. Plain English, no jargon. Let's go. Tool 1, Gemini. Let's start with the main one. Gemini is Google's flagship AI assistant, their direct answer to ChatGPT. You can use it to answer questions, summarize documents, write emails, analyze images, generate code, and have back and forth conversations about almost anything. Free version lets you chat, browse the web, read images, and get answers instantly. Most everyday tasks handled. Gemini Advanced, part of the $19.99 per month Google AI Pro plan, unlocks the more powerful model, deep research, and a 1 million token context window. Start here. It's the foundation of everything else on this list. Tool 2, NotebookLM. Next, NotebookLM. And this one surprises almost everyone who tries it for the first time. NotebookLM is an AI research assistant, but unlike Gemini, it only uses the information you give it. You upload your own PDFs, articles, notes, YouTube videos. Then you ask questions, and it answers using only your sources. No random internet results, no hallucinations from outside material. The standout feature is the audio overview. NotebookLM can turn any set of documents into a podcast-style conversation between two AI hosts. Free plan gives you 100 notebooks, 50 sources each, and 3 audio overviews per day, enough for most personal use. NotebookLM Pro at $19.99 per month via Google AI Pro bumps that to 500 notebooks, 300 sources, and 20 overviews a day. They discuss your exact material out loud in plain conversational English. For students and researchers, this is one of the most powerful free tools Google has ever made. Tool 3, Google AI Studio. If you want to go deeper, Google AI Studio is the place to do it. This is Google's developer platform. Direct access to Gemini models through an API. You can test prompts, fine-tune model settings, build custom apps, and connect the AI to your own projects, completely free to start. Free tier gets you full access to AI Studio for testing and building. Paid API unlocks higher rate limits and production-level deployment when you're ready to scale. Here's the simple way to think about it. Gemini is the finished product. AI Studio is the workshop where you build your own version. We're 3 tools in. And we've already covered a complete AI workflow. Now let's get into Google's creative tools, because this is where things get genuinely surprising. Tool 4, Google Flow. Google Flow is one of Google's newest and most exciting releases. It's an AI filmmaking tool. You describe a scene in words, and Flow generates professional quality video clips from scratch. Natural motion, cinematic lighting, camera angle, all from a text prompt. Free tier gets you a handful of test clips using Veo 2. AI Pro at $19.99 per month adds Veo 3 with audio, about 2 to 8 clips per month. AI Ultra at $249.99 per month is for serious creators needing volume. It's designed for creators, filmmakers, and storytellers who want to produce visual content without a camera or a full production team. Tool 5, Veo 3. Veo 3 is the AI model that powers Flow, and it deserves its own mention. It's Google's most advanced AI video generation model. Give it a text description, and it produces high-quality, realistic video, complete with motion, lighting, shadows, and even synchronized audio. VO3 is available through Flow for creators and directly through Google AI Studio for developers. Tool 6. Imagen. Imagen is Google's AI image generation model. Same idea as VO, but for still images. You describe what you want: a photo, an illustration, a graphic, and Imagen creates it in seconds. Imagen is built into Gemini, AI Studio, Google Slides, and Google Docs tools you may already be using every day. Tool 7. Gemini for Workspace. Now, Gemini for Workspace. This is the one most working professionals will actually use every single day. Google has built Gemini directly into all of its productivity apps. In Gmail, it drafts full email responses from one line of instruction. In Docs, it rewrites, summarizes, and generates content. In Sheets, it builds formulas and analyzes data from plain English. And in Google Meet, it takes notes, summarizes the conversation, and captures action items automatically. Free Google accounts get limited Gemini features in some apps. Paid Workspace or AI Pro unlocks the full suite. Help me write auto notes, Formula AI, all of it. Tool 8. Google Search AI Overviews. Here's one that most people don't think of as an AI tool, but it is. Every time you search on Google now, you get an AI-generated summary at the top of the results. Before any website links appear, that's Gemini synthesize multiple sources in real time, and it gets smarter with every update. Tool 9. Google Labs. Finally, Google Labs. This is Google's experimental playground where brand new AI ideas are tested before release. NotebookLM started here. So did several other tools you've already heard of. Project Astra, Google's AI that can see through your camera, is here. Project Mariner, which browses the web and completes tasks for you, is here too. Here's the simple version. New to AI? Start with Gemini, student or researcher. Add NotebookLM. Working in an office? Turn on Gemini in Workspace today. Developer or builder? Go to Google AI Studio. Want to stay ahead of what's coming? Watch Google Labs. That's every major Google AI tool explained.